The Wishing Waterfall. In the heart of whispering woods, veiled by sun-dappled leaves and the gurgling of hidden streams, resided a magical waterfall, sparkling like diamonds under the forest canopy. It whispered promises of wishes granted, but with a mischievous wink that hinted at unexpected twists. One crisp autumn morning, a chubby squirrel named Nimble scampered through the woods, his beady eyes scanning for buried treasures. He stumbled upon the waterfall, captivated by its enchanting melody. "Mountains of nuts!" he squeaked, wishing with all his acorn-loving heart. Poof! The ground trembled, and before Nimble's bushy tail could twitch, the forest floor erupted in an avalanche of hazelnuts. Mountains, not meadows, of nuts rose all around him, leaving Nimble buried up to his bushy ears. He clawed and gnawed, but the nut avalanche had him trapped in his own greedy wish. Meanwhile, Pip, a timid rabbit with ears that flopped like nervous flags, crept closer to the waterfall. "Just a touch of courage," he whispered, longing to join the boisterous forest games without trembling. Suddenly, the air crackled with energy, and Pip was no longer shy. He hopped onto a fallen log, puffed out his chest like a furry drum, and bellowed, "Forest friends, join my parade!" Animals emerged from every nook and cranny. Grumpy badgers tap danced on mushrooms, lumbering bears juggled pine cones, and owls hooted a jaunty marching tune. Pip, the erstwhile wallflower, led the parade through the woods, his timid squeak transformed into a booming command. He even hopped through the thorny bramble patch, emerging unscathed, though surprisingly decorated with tiny berries. News of the Wishing Waterfall's quirky magic spread like wildfire. A grumpy badger wished for peace and quiet, only to find himself surrounded by snoring hedgehogs. A wise owl wished for understanding, and learned to decipher the language of squirrels, a skill that came in handy during many a nut-related dispute. As for Nimble, he finally tunneled out of his nut mountain, sporting a nutshell tiara and a newfound appreciation for moderation. Pip, though exhausted from leading the parade, glowed with newfound confidence, realizing that even a whisper of courage can lead to unexpected adventures. The Wishing Waterfall continued to sing its mischievous melody, reminding everyone that the best wishes are often not what you expect. Every day, whispers of laughter and surprised squeaks echoed through whispering woods, a testament to the magic that lived amongst the leaves, where wishes, with their surprising twists, brought joy and wonder to the lives of all the forest creatures. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now let's move on to our multiple choice questions to check your comprehension. Number 1. What happened to Nimble when he wished for mountains of nuts? A. He gained wings and flew over the nut mountains. B. He became surrounded by mountains of nuts and got trapped. C. He grew enormously and ate all the nuts in the forest. D. He discovered a secret stash of even more nuts. Very good! Letter B. He became surrounded by mountains of nuts and got trapped. Number 2. What unexpected effect did Pip's wish for courage. How? A. He lost his voice and could no longer speak. B. He became invisible and nobody noticed him anymore. C. He grew so brave he scared all the other animals away. D. He gained leadership skills and led a parade of forest animals. Correct! Letter D. He gained leadership skills and led a parade of forest animals. Number 3. What did the animals learn from the wishing waterfall's magic? A. That wishing for anything always leads to disaster. B. That the most powerful wishes are those spoken aloud. C. That unexpected results can sometimes be even better than expected. D. That wishing only works for humans, not animals. Correct! Letter C. That unexpected results can sometimes be even better than expected. I hope you learned something from the story. See you next time. Goodbye!